Welcome back to SRC.
It's Science Week.
And today we'll be reading Rosie, Revere, Engineer by Andrea Beatty.
And we'll also be experimenting with these color-changing flowers. So let's get started.
Reading Rosie, Revere, Engineer by Andrea Beatty and illustrated by David Roberts. And this book is published by Abrams Books for Young Readers. If you'd like to listen to Rosie, Revere, Engineer, click the link in the description below.
Hey guys, today we are doing a flower color experiment, so let's dive in. For this experiment, we will need these resources. Fresh cut flowers, which we got from Sobeys for $8, and they have to be white. Scissors to cut the flowers, and then we thought we were going to use these small mason jars, but we ended up using bigger vases. Food coloring, and once again you'll need the toothpick if you're using the paste food coloring, and water. So to start, you're going to want to cut your flowers off of their longer stems. So we kind of tried to grab bunches of the flowers that were attached and use those. So you're going to start by filling up your vases. We decided to use bigger ones than the smaller mason jars. You're going to fill it with water, and then you're going to color the water using your food coloring. Now if you think you have enough food coloring, add more drops because it really works better if there's more food coloring in the water. So you're going to add the flowers to your colored water and then leave them for at least a couple days. Allow for the color to get up to the petals. At this point, we were a full day into our experiment and saw that there wasn't much color going up to the stems. So we decided to cut the stems straight up to see if that would make a difference, and then we left the flowers for another couple of days. After a full 2 days since we started our experiment, we took this final video. So definitely the blue and the red were the best that took up the colors, but we think that it's because they were the darkest. So the one that worked the least was probably the pink, and then the yellow did end up going up to the petals as well. It just took a little bit longer. As you can see, the pink didn't really take up much color. It could be because it was too light. The green ended up taking some, and you can see it kind of in patches around the petals. The red took up quite a bit, and it almost looked like pinky. The blue was definitely the most successful. Alright you guys, our color flowers are complete. As you can see, they all kind of worked except for the pink. The blue and the red are definitely the best ones. Hope you guys had fun and tried it at home. Thanks for tuning in!